A moderate magnitude 4.4 earthquake hit 122 kilometers, 76 miles, away from Aksu, Xinjiang, China, in the early morning of Monday, May 12, 2025 at 4:33 a.m. local time. Asia, Urumqi GMT +6. The quake had a very shallow depth of 1.5 kilometers, 0.9 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, EMSC after 27 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.